Hello everyone, welcome to you all. In this video, we are going to learn about simple present tense. First of all, we will know where to use simple present tense. Simple present tense is used when we have to express habitual actions. Let's see with some examples. She drinks tea every morning. They watch television regularly. Raj reads newspaper every day. I drink milk daily. So this all example shows the habitual actions. Next, for repeated action or events. Let's have some examples. He takes bath in the morning. I go to school every day. They go to garden every Sunday. The milkman delivers milk packets every day. This all sentences shows repeated actions which is happening repeatedly. Next one, for general truth or universal truth. As for example, the sun rises in the east. Water freezes at 0 degree. The earth revolves around the sun. Next, when to give instruction or any direction, we use simple present tense. As for example, close the door. Open your notebook. Go straight from here on. Mix the flour with all dry ingredients. Now let's know how to frame these simple present tense sentences. Its rule with examples. As we know, to make sentence, we need subject, verb and object. Here we can see subject is I, verb is go, object is school. I go to school. In the second sentence, subject is he, verb again is go and object is school. Here we have taken I is a subject, go is a verb and school is an object. Next, in next sentence, he is a subject. Again, go is a verb and school is an object. Here you can see the changes in the verb. In the first sentence, we have used verb as go only, whereas in the second sentence, we have used goes. With I, go is used and with subject he, goes is used. So this change depends on the subject. Let's know how it change. When subject is I, you, we and they, then only first form of verb is used. As in the first sentence we have seen, I go to school. First form of verb is go and go is used in the sentence. When subject is he, she, it or any name, then with verb will add s or es. As for example, we have seen in the second sentence, he goes to school. Subject is he here, so with the verb we have added es to it. He goes to school. Let us see some first form of verb, and when we add s or es to the verb, like go will become goes, write writes, play plays, eat eats, drink drinks, do does. Like this, as per subject, verb is going to change. So first, subject plus verb plus object, and as per subject will add s or es to the verb to make simple present tense. This is the general rule to make simple present tense. Let's understand with few examples. When subject is I, you, we and they, then how we will frame the sentence? I go to school. You go to school. We go to school. They go to school. But when subject is he, she, it or name, then how we will make sentences? He goes to school. She goes to school. Ram goes to school. Let's see some more examples. I play with ball. Here subject is I, so only first form of verb is used. I play with ball. He writes with pen. He, subject is he, so we'll use s to the verb. Writes. He writes with pen. They play in the garden. Raj eats mango. Now we are going to see how to make negative sentences. If the subject is I, you, we and they, then we will add after subject do not plus first form of verb plus object. And if subject is he, she, it or some name, after this we will use does not plus first form of verb plus object. As for example, I do not play with ball. Here subject is I, so we have used here do not, do not. Next one, he does not play with ball. Subject is he, so we have used does not. So do or does will change as per the subject. Already es is added in does, so again no need to add s or es with verb. In negative sentences, we use first form of verb only. They do not go to school. Raj does not eat mango. Now we are going to see interrogative sentences. How to make interrogative sentences in simple present tense. Sentences that asks a question and always ends with a question mark. How we will frame a sentence? Let's know. Interrogative sentences always begins with do or does, then subject, then first form of verb, and then object. Again, do and does depends on the subject. If the subject is I, you, we, and they, then we'll use do. And if subject is he, she, it, or any name, then we'll use does. Let's have some examples. Do you speak English? Does he speak English? Do they eat cake? Does she eat cake? Does Lina eat cake? Now, how to make interrogative sentences with WH family? WH family is like what, where, when, who, which, whose, whom. They are called WH family. When we'll ask questions, we will use this WH family. So how we will make sentences if you are using this WH family? Now we will see the rules to make interrogative sentences using WH family words. Here, first we'll use WH family, then helping verb like do or does. This again depends on the subject. Then subject plus first form of verb and object. As for example, where do you go? Where, WH family. Do, here the subject is you, so we have used do. Then first form of verb. Here there is no object. It's not necessary that all the time object is required. Without object also you can complete the sentence. Next one, when does he go? Here the subject is he, so we have used helping verb does. So always do or does depends on the subject. Next examples. Why do they go to market? When does he come? What does he do with marker? This is all about simple present tense. Let's try to make some more sentences of simple present tense. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video. Subscribe the channel for many more such upcoming videos. Thanks a lot.